student, hope you are well. So today again I came for class 7 subject chemistry, chapter 3 fiber to fabric. Today my topic is from wool fiber to fabric, that means journey of woolen fiber to fabric. Now I have already sent you the video regarding silk fiber. In your book, in the chapter fiber to fabric, you have to learn in detail two topics. One is the woolen fiber and second one is silk fiber. About silk fiber, I have already sent you the video. So I thought that I should send a video regarding woolen fiber also. This will be a sort of revision for yourself. Now, there are 7 steps to obtain wool fiber to fabric. One by one each step I am going to describe. The first step is rearing and breeding of the sheep. That means we are getting the wool from the sheep. Without sheep we cannot get the wool. So first we have to go through this step. Now what is the meaning of rearing? Rearing means to bring up and to take care until and unless the sheep is fully grown. That is called rearing. Breeding. Breeding means to allow the different category of sheep which are of good category to mate and to produce offspring of good quality. Why we need offspring of good quality? So that the woolen fiber that we are going to obtain, it should have good quality and it can be used for various purposes. So this one is the first step I have completed. Second step is shearing. S-H-E-A-R-I-N-G. Shearing. What is the meaning of shearing? Shearing means to shave off the wool fiber from the body of the sheep along with the outer thin skin, and that is together known as fleece. Fleece means wool along with the outer skin. Now when we are shaving off the wool along with the outer skin, the sheep doesn't get pain. What is the reason? The reason is the outer skin of the sheep is dead. That is, it is made up of dead cell. So they don't have pain. But we have to take care of this process. We should do it carefully so that the inner skin is not going to be affected. Generally, shearing is done in summer season or just after the summer season. What is the reason? So that until and unless the winter season comes, again the wool will be grown on the sheep's body and that wool will protect the sheep in the winter season. Third step is washing, and another special name is there for washing, that is called scouring. Washing is also called scouring. The woolen fiber obtained from the sheep's body is dipped in detergent solution, and sometimes we add some antiseptic lotion also along with that, so that the grease and dirt which are present on the wool can be removed easily and germs can be killed also. Now fourth step is known as sorting. What is the meaning of sorting? The sheep from which we are getting the woolen fiber, it is having different kind of woolen fiber in different parts of the body. We separate the woolen fibers according to their length, according to their texture, according to their color. Somewhere the woolen fiber are rough and somewhere it is soft. Some fiber are shorter in length, some fiber are longer in length. Using hand, these are separated and that process is known as sorting. But those persons who are involving in this process, that is sorting, sometimes they may be affected by a disease. Actually, a bacterium called anthrax is present in the wool fiber, and due to the presence of that bacterium in the wool fiber, this bacteria come in contact with the hand of the people who are separating the types of wool, and they get a disease that is known as sorter's disease. disease. This is also known as occupational hazard. So we have to take care of this kind of things. Gloves should be provided to those persons who are working for these. Now fifth one is carding, C-A-R-D-I-N-G. What is the meaning of this? This is means to straightening the woolen fiber. Woolen fiber which we obtain from the sheep are curly. Using a special kind of metal comb, those curly woolen fibers are straightened. Otherwise we cannot make yarn. So that process is known as carding. Now sixth is dyeing. The name dye itself suggests it is related with color. So dyeing means coloring. Generally the woolen fiber obtained from the sheep, they are either very light color or white in color. But we can find different colorful woolen fabrics. So in this step, the woolen fibers are dyed with different color and this process is known as dyeing. The last step is spinning and weaving. You know what is spinning? In class 6 you have learned spinning means to get the yarn. From the fiber it is straightened, it is twisted and we get yarn, that is called spinning. Now that yarn is using machine or using hand, they are woven to get the woolen sweater or any other thing and that is known as weaving. So finally after weaving your sweater, shawl, whatever is there, that is ready. That means woolen fabric is ready. So these are the 7 steps that you have to remember. You may get questions to write down about all these 7 steps or you may get question to write about separately each step. So I hope I have explained it in a very proper manner. Please go through the video several times and clear your doubt. So thank you very much students.